Want to create a professional and engaging organizational chart with pictures? Here's how to do it in Microsoft Word. To make it less boring, we'll be using some of your favorite movie characters. Go to the Insert tab and click SmartArt. In the Choose a SmartArt graphic window, select Hierarchy. Pick Picture Organization Chart and click OK. To make it interesting, let's create an organization chart for the Avengers. Click inside each shape and type the names and roles. In the first shape, we will type the owner or CEO of our company. In our case, Tony Stark, CEO. The second shape in the sequence is for the assistant to the CEO. If your CEO does not have an assistant, simply click on the shape and press Delete. Tony does have an assistant, so we will undo the changes and add the name Pepper Potts. Now I'll quickly add our second level of executives, the directors perhaps. Adjust the structure by adding or removing shapes using the Add Shape button in the SmartArt Design tab, or by right-clicking on a shape and selecting Add Shape. After that, let's build our third level. Let's start with the captain. He has two subordinates, Sam and Bucky. To add them under Captain America, click on Steve Rogers, go to the SmartArt Design tab, and click Add Shape. Do the same for Bucky, Clint, and Vision. Now, we made a mistake in our chart. Clint Barton, aka Hawkeye, should not be under Black Widow. They should be on the same level. To promote Hawkeye up a level, click on his shape, then go to the SmartArt Design tab and click Promote. We can also rearrange the sequence by using the Move Up and Move Down button. And lastly, we just remembered our CEO has an AI assistant, Jarvis. Let's add him to the chart. Right-click on Tony's shape, go to Add Shape, and select Add Assistant. Now that our chart is done, we can focus on the styling a bit. Let's add the pictures first. Click the picture icon in a shape. Select Online Pictures to search for images directly within Word. Or select From a File to use an image from your computer. I'll quickly search online and insert their image into the respective position. Use Change Colors under SmartArt Design to adjust colors. Apply a SmartArt style for a polished look. Resize and move the chart as needed. That's it! Whether for work or fun, you can create awesome organization charts with pictures. Give it a like if this video earned it. Subscribe for more quick tech tips. And thanks for watching.